Welcome to our video on yoga for anxiety and depression. In this video, we'll be discussing how yoga can be a powerful tool for managing these conditions. We'll talk about the benefits of yoga, including increasing mindfulness, regulating the nervous system, and improving sleep. So, grab your mat and let's get started. Yoga is a powerful tool for managing anxiety and depression. It combines physical movement, breathing techniques, and meditation to help calm the mind and reduce stress. One of the key benefits of yoga for anxiety and depression is its ability to increase mindfulness. Mindfulness is the ability to be present in the moment, without judgment. When we're anxious or depressed, our thoughts tend to race ahead to the future or dwell on the past. Yoga helps bring us back to the present moment, which can be a powerful antidote to anxious and depressive thoughts. Another benefit of yoga is that it helps to regulate the nervous system. Anxiety and depression are both related to imbalances in the nervous system, and yoga can help to bring balance back to the body. Yoga poses, or asanas, can help to release tension in the muscles, which can help to decrease feelings of anxiety and depression. Breathing techniques, or pranayama, are also an important part of yoga for anxiety and depression. These techniques can help to slow down the breath, which can have a calming effect on the mind and body. Finally, yoga can also help to improve sleep. Anxiety and depression can make it difficult to fall asleep and stay asleep. Yoga can help to relax the body and mind, which can make it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. Incorporating yoga into your daily routine can be a powerful tool for managing anxiety and depression. Remember to start with a comfortable level and practice regularly. It's important to remind that while yoga can be helpful in managing symptoms of anxiety and depression, it's not a replacement for medical treatment. Consult with a doctor or therapist if you are experiencing severe symptoms. Thanks for watching our video on yoga for anxiety and depression. Remember to start with a comfortable level and practice regularly. Remember also that while yoga can be helpful in managing symptoms of anxiety and depression, it's not a replacement for medical treatment. Consult with a doctor or therapist if you are experiencing severe symptoms. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos on health and wellness.